Introduction to Weekly Summary Emails.
Keeping track of your tasks and achievements can boost productivity and motivation. With Google Apps Script, you can automate a weekly summary email, helping you review progress and plan ahead. This guide will walk you through the basics of setting up a simple script to compile and send a summary email every week directly from your Google account.
What is Google Apps Script?
Google Apps Script is a cloud-based coding platform for automating tasks across Google Workspace tools. By writing lightweight JavaScript code, you can interact with apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, and more. This makes it easy to fetch, process, and send information, perfect for creating custom workflows such as a weekly summary email.
Gathering your weekly data.
Decide what information you want in your summary. Many people use Google Sheets to track tasks and achievements. In your script, you'll connect to a sheet, retrieve the relevant rows, such as completed tasks from the past week, and format the data for your summary email. This keeps your update organized and accurate each week.
Writing and scheduling the script.
Open the script editor from Google Sheets or Gmail. Write a function to collect the week's data, create the summary content, and send it via email using the Gmail service. To automate, use triggers to schedule the script to run on a specific day and time, like every Sunday evening, so your update arrives automatically.
Benefits and next steps.
Automated summary emails help you stay organized and reflect on your progress. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can expand your script. For example, include charts, attach files, or summarize goals for the next week. Regular summaries can build positive habits for productivity, accountability, and personal growth.